Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm a product and automations builder, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of how to set up Twitter for n8n. So we are starting off in the Twitter developer platform page here. You can get this by Googling Twitter API. It's this first link here. Also linked down to this in the description. Where we want to go when we get started here is this developer portal. So I'll link to this as well if you just want to skip ahead. This has documentation, all that good stuff. But in the developer portal, when you're first trying to get set up here, you're going to get hit with this question if you're ready to build with X and a bunch of thumbs. You're going to have the basic and the pro option. They have these scary numbers here, making you think you're going to have to pay a lot of money. But secretly down here, there's a sign up for free account option, and that is what we're going to do. Now we need to tell them why we're building this, and I don't think they care what you put in here. So I'm going to put in that we're just doing a test for YouTube. And it needs to be 250 characters, so I'm going to make some stuff up. I hope that's enough. All right, so we're not going to resell anything. We're not going to do whatever this is. And we accept their terms and conditions. I don't think this is 250 characters yet, so we're going to keep adding. Wow, 250 characters is a lot. Okay, so we'll submit now. And they give us access. So in here, we will see this little dashboard with projects and things, project app, all this. So this is our default project over here. This is what we can use to get started. So we will hop over to n8n here. This is a project that's already set up and workflow that will be in another video, but we will just set this up from scratch here. Let's do create tweet. Okay, so we'll come back over to the dashboard here and we'll scroll down and we're going to hit this app settings and we're going to need to do this user authentication settings setup here. So we will just click setup. And we need to determine what we want our app to do. So for us, we want to just read and write. And this is a web app. We're going to need to put in this redirect here. So I'll grab this from n8n. And our website URL, so I'll just put my website. Oh, I don't need to do that. We'll skip the optional stuff and we will click save. Might affect our app. Okay. All right, now we have our client ID and our client secret. And those are the two things that we need. So we're gonna pop those in. And we're gonna give this a name. This is our YouTube test footer. And I'm going to label this delete later, so I don't keep that in there. And a note, of course, always keep these secret. This will also be deleted later, so no one tries to tweet from this account. All right, so I'll do connect account. We're gonna get a pop-up that maybe is not showing, but we're going to sign in. And then there'll be a little authorize app button you need to click. You'll click it, and then you'll see green. Green is good. Check mark good. We're connected. And now we can tweet. So we can start hooking things up to this node. We don't want that. and start tweeting. And that's pretty much it. Very simple to get configured. Now you can go do all sorts of automations using Twitter. We'll have some related videos that you can use with Twitter automations linked up, and in the title cards at the end, the little tiles, so you can try this out. Play around with it, and love to hear your feedback in the comments. And please, as always, like and subscribe to keep getting more of this awesome content. All right, see you later.